Hello everyone, I am Gurumurthy, Maths teacher, the Optimus Public School, Bhavani. Today we are going to continue our workbook, Chapter 4, Multiplication, page number 51, worksheet number 7, two-step problems, question number 1. Mrs. Boxy bought 3 packets of erasers with 25 erasers in each packet. She distributed 52 erasers in the class. How many erasers are still with her? Dear kids, this kind of problem we want to analyze the question, what to do, then decide. Here some questions involving additions or subtractions or multiplication or both. Here Mrs. Boxy bought 3 packets of erasers. That means we want to find out the total number of erasers. Send it. In this question we want to find out how many left with her. That is our question. Dear kids, in this question I am going to solve this rough work area. The total we want to find out, first we want to find out total eraser equal to the number of eraser in each packet is 25, the number of packet is 3, therefore 25 into 3 equal to 75. Okay, how many distributed in the class? Yes, distributed eraser equal to 52. Okay, first you are going to multiply, after that you want to subtract, get the answer. 75 minus 52 equal to what? First I am going to subtract ones place, after that tens place. Okay, 5 minus 2 equal to 3. 7 minus 5 equal to 2. Okay, the remaining eraser are 23. The answer I am going to write in place 23 eraser are left with her. Next, question number 5. In a newspaper collection drive, John collected 54 papers, Sarita collected 61 papers, and Jagida collected 73 papers. How many more papers should they collect to make 200 papers? Dear kids, I told you this kind of problem. First you are going to analyze, then what you are going to do is, okay, decide what you are going to do. This kind of problem, so I am going to solve in this rough work area. See here, first we want to add this, after that you are going to subtract. Okay, John paper equal to 54, Sarida paper 61, Jagida papers 73. First you are going to add this. Okay, 54 plus 61 plus 73. Okay, first I am going to add ones place, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8. Next I am going to add tens place, 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 7 18. Therefore the total collected papers are 188. This is not our answer. Actually our question is how many more papers should they collect to make 200 papers. Okay, more paper, we want to find out how many more need, that is our question. So I am going to subtract from the 200 minus 188. Okay, get the answer. I am going to subtract ones place 0 minus 8. It's not possible, so I am going to regroup from the tens place. The tens place also 0. Okay, therefore there is also not possible, so I am going to regroup from the hundreds place. This 2 become 1, this 0 become 10, isn't it? But I am going to regroup from ones place. So in the tens place we have 10, so the 10 become 9, this 0 become 10. Now subtract 10 minus 8 equal to 2. In tens place we have 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. In 100 place 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore answer is 12 papers. 12 more paper. Okay, to collect. Dear kids, same way you also do complete this page. Next I move on to page number 52, worksheet number 8, building problem solving. Choose the correct fact. Dear kids, read the problem and then choose the fact that will help you answer the question. Solve the problem using this fact. First question, Bishnu takes his dog for a walk for 30 minutes every morning. He takes the dog out again in the evening. How long does the dog walk with him every day? Dear kids, here 3 facts are given. We are going to select which is the correct fact. Fact A, he takes his dog out twice a day. It's correct. That also correct. He takes his dog out for 20 minutes in the evening. Fact 3, that is C, his friend takes his own dog out for 15 minutes in the evening. Which option is correct? Which option is correct? Which option will match us our question? That is our problem. Our question is how long does the dog walk him with every day? Every day means morning and evening. Okay, we know morning, every morning 30 minutes dog walk. That means we want to know evening walk. Okay, that means we are going to select option B. He takes his dog out for 20 minutes in the evening. Okay, therefore the total walk is, the morning is 30 minutes plus evening is 20 minutes, so it's become 20 plus 30 plus 20, it's become 15 minutes. Okay, dear kids, same way you should complete the remaining questions. Next, page number 53, mixed problem. Here also some involving the 2-step and addition and subtraction and multiplication also. Okay, you should complete. Thank you. We will see in the next video.